Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and somebody just posted a post on Facebook wanting to know how to put the dots in between these lines, and you could have different colors, but I don't know if they're a laser engraver or what they're doing. So type out the word friends using the shape tool, grab and kern your letters apart. Then I would grab them with the pick tool and hit Control K, then I'll break them apart. Then I would actually select them all, and I'd actually turn them into a curve. I'm going to take just an ellipse, and I'm going to fill it in with right click and left click, no outline. And then I'm just going to put them in here. Doesn't really matter. Put them in here relatively close. You don't want them touching. And I'm not particularly paying attention to the how they're stacked up, but I am going to select them all, and then I'm going to hit B and put them in the center of the page. And my nudge factor is set real low. Let me set it a little bit higher, 0.01. Let me grab those and maybe put them a little bit more in the center. That looks pretty good. Now I'm going to select them all, and I'm going to go up to Objects, Align and Distribute, Docker. You probably don't have to do this, but I'm going to pick this one right here, Distribute Space Horizontally. And what that did, it evened them out. Now, the I and the R look a little bit funny. All the rest of them look pretty good, but they're not connected, so you could manually move this over a little bit and maybe make it a little bit more eye appealing. It's just, I think it's the weight of the R. But anyway, that's how I would do it. And then if you wanted it like the friends, you could make them different colors. Hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.